Hello viewers, welcome back to Practical 360 Tips, your go-to destination for practical advice on self-improvement. Today we have a topic that's crucial for success in both personal and professional life: how to improve communication skills. Whether you're looking to express yourself better, build stronger relationships, or excel in your career, this video is for you. Communication is the key to connecting with others. It helps you express your thoughts, feelings, and ideas effectively. Good communication skills open doors to opportunities and help you navigate through life with confidence. The first step in improving your communication skills is becoming an active listener. When someone is speaking to you, focus on what they're saying. Don't interrupt, ask questions to show that you're engaged and interested. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintain eye contact, use open gestures, and stand or sit up straight. Your non-verbal cues should match your words to convey sincerity and trustworthiness. Avoid jargon and complex language when speaking. Be clear, concise in your messages. Remember, it's not about how many words you use, but how effectively you convey your ideas. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and validating their experiences. It fosters trust and builds stronger connections. Practice makes perfect. Engage in conversations both in person and online. Challenge yourself to speak in public. Present your ideas. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Seek input from friends, colleagues, mentors. Constructive criticism helps you identify areas for improvement and grow as a communicator. Observe effective communicators around you. Pay attention to how they express themselves, handle conflicts, build rapport. You can learn valuable lessons by watching, emulating them. So improving your communication skills is a lifelong journey. The benefits are immense. Whether you want to enhance your personal relationships, excel in your career, or simply connect better with others, these tips will set you on the path to success. And remember, it's not about being perfect, making progress. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more practical tips on self-improvement. And as always, stay tuned to Practical 360 Tips for more insights into becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy communicating.